Welcome back. And we cooking today. What's on the menu? I got chicken, shrimp, Alfredo. That's what we doing today. Let's get started. Got my shrimp here. We're gonna throw in some mushrooms. I got some bacon, a couple strips of bacon. We're gonna throw in there. I usually use the thin spaghetti pasta. I'm gonna try the Penne Pasta because we bought so much from not Lowe's, but from Sam's Club. So I got some chicken fajitas meat. It's frozen. Take about 4 to 6 minutes to cook. Got some fresh parsley. I got some red pepper, mild and sweet to the taste. So for my seasoning, I got some Creole seasoning. Got a little bit of blackened seasoning. We use salt and pepper. Got some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of butter. But I love this sauce, this Penne sauce. If you haven't tried it, it's the best sauce to make Alfredo. So I love that sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and season this water with a little bit of salt. And it's boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this Penne Pasta in there. A little bit. Just a little bit more. Yeah, we bought I don't know if it's a value pack, but it's a lot. So I wanna go ahead and choose a couple bags. Alright, we'll let that boil. Okay, let's get started with this frozen chicken. Let's spray this with a little bit of olive oil. Everything else gonna cook kind of fast. Yeah, but when I got my bacon, I probably got a little heat more. So yeah, we'll go ahead. Put that on medium heat. Get that baby started. I'm gonna go ahead and season these shrimp with some Creole seasoning. It said make everything taste great. So that's pretty good. I'm sure y'all tried this Creole seasoning. A lot of people cook with it. So black and seasoned for a little bit of spice. Don't want to get too spicy. Wife don't like her food too spicy, so that's a little bit. That's enough. I'm gonna put this up before I get carried away. Okay, so I got that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this frozen chicken up in there a little bit. Like that. Cook. So this is gonna cook between 4 and 6 minutes. That's all we need. What else? So probably around 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that bacon in with it, let it cook with it, and then towards the end, a couple minutes with the shrimp. Shrimp don't take long to cook. I'm gonna cut up this red pepper here. Not that hot. These up a little smaller. It's like a mild heat, so they're not bad at all. Yeah, I don't think my wife complained about these ones. That's good. Yeah, I need a bigger knife. That's a bigger knife. Okay, I'm back. Pasta is just about ready. Let me drain the water off. Drain this real quick. And we almost home. Oh yes. What's my strain? I just pour it in and then strain and be done with it. Alright, and that drain. We're gonna go ahead and heat that back up a little bit. Medium heat. Butter on this. Oh yes, this is gonna be good. My son loves some Alfredo. Both of them do. Keep it in the pot. Salt. All right. And then go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Get my Alfredo in a minute. We got bacon, we got mushrooms, got a hot pepper, mildly hot, some shrimp, some grilled chicken. Oh yes, this is looking good. A little bit of black pepper. Ready for this Alfredo. And we almost home. Oh yes. I love this sauce. So all of this today. All of it. Come on. Come on. Give me all your love. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. This fine. Oh, yes. Let's love that, baby. Woo-wee. That looks good. Stay with me. Oh my goodness. Alfredo, chicken Alfredo and shrimp is here today. And it's calling my name. Oh my goodness. Let me just zoom in. See if I can zoom in. Oh yeah. So we can give you a good look at inside that pie. See your shrimp, your chicken. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Yes, I know it ain't perfect, but it gotta be close. Oh yes, oh yes. Let me zoom back. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I know. My wife is ready to eat. My son is ready to eat. Oh, can't forget the Parmesan cheese to top it off with. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yes, I gotta zoom in. Just let you look at that one more time. Look at that one more time. We're gonna kill that heat. We good, baby. We good. Oh, Alfredo chicken and shrimp is in the house. Oh yes. So, if you like this content, please hit like and subscribe. Show me love. Oh yes.